How are we doing, everyone? We are back. I apologize for not posting lately. I know it's been, what, 2 or 3 weeks? And because of that, I am actually 2 or 3 weeks behind on my GoMining, solo mining weekly updates. But this one is week 32. We are still with 2 miners. One is the bonus one, 230 terahash. We upgraded in the last video from 20 watts of terahash all the way down to the 15 watts of terahash. Recently, I have been very busy, unfortunately, and I've also been forgetting to click my discount. So I forgot to click it, I think, a day or 2 ago, and it is reset down to 3.5%, which is a little unfortunate, but hey, it is what it is. You know, you forgive, you forget. But we're going to come on over to the dashboard. Our total Bitcoin rewards is 0.037358878 Bitcoin. It says it's worth $3,304.19 in USD. But we're just going to copy this number over here and we're going to put it into a Bitcoin to USD. Convert. I always go to this voice for some reason every time I do it. Holy shit. Oh, I don't know. I read that so stupidly. I read that as down 22%. I was going to say, oh my fucking god. But no, it's only down. We're about $88,000 USD per Bitcoin, which means our total rewards are $3,299.19. Okay, it's off by $5. Is what it is. But now on to the weekly rewards, which were 3 weeks ago. And they were on November 25th to December 1st. For these, 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some days were paid with GMT, some weren't. Says this is my rewards for the period, but of course, you know, we don't trust it. So we're going to be putting the numbers into a calculator. So starting on the 25th, we have 9526 plus 1660 plus 9684 plus 1817 plus 1876 plus 9672 plus 2844 equals, oh my god, wait a minute, did they get this? This is almost correct. Wait a minute. I mean, unless I put one number in wrong, but I don't think I did. No, I didn't. But hey, look, it's closer. That's way closer than it has ever been, as far as I know. So I guess I actually can just copy this number here, copy, and then we'll paste it in here. Let's see what our weekly rewards were. $32.79. Not bad. Of course, you know, a majority of the days were paid with Bitcoin, but it could have been a lot less. Either way, I got more Bitcoin. I'm perfectly happy with that. Perfectly happy. And if you want to start mining Bitcoin today, my referral link will be down in the description below. They are currently having a nice little discount on creating a miner, or even just adding to your current miner. It is 10% off to add to your current miner, I guess, no matter the upgrade. And then for creating a miner, it seems like the more terahash you purchase, the more you get. But either way, 1 terahash at the moment is 8% off. It used to be $24.99, but it is now $22.99. Pretty good deal. You can literally start mining Bitcoin today. You can be making Bitcoin, having it in your virtual wallet by tomorrow. Bim, bam, boom. You know, of course, do your own research. Don't just put your money into something without having any idea what it is. Look it up, learn it, understand it, and then go from there. We'll see you guys soon. Have a good one. And I'm going to be recording the next 2 videos right after these. Chances.